Okay, makes sense. All right. So first off, I hope you're with your note and pen. Are you with your note and pen?
Yes, yes,
Awesome.
yes, yes.
Awesome. So now I want to introduce to you what we call SEO. There's what they call SEO, right? So SEO stands
SEO.
SEO, right? It stands for
Mm,
search engine optimization, right? Search engine
okay,
optimization. And so what it means is these are strategies that you deploy to ensure that your name, your business, your products, or your services appear on the Google search results page. Now I'm going to break it down.
okay.
Yes. So now, if I search for something online now, let's say I'm going to give you a practical example. Let's say I
Mm,
want to search for hair brands in Nigeria or in Lagos, Nigeria. Now,
mm,
you know that there are lots of hair brands in Nigeria, but it will be shocking to you to realize that
yeah,
it's not all those brands, all those hair brands that you know, they are not appearing here. Like they're not appearing on Google. Can you see? Like
okay,
I'm sure that there are some in your streets and they don't know about this, right? It's not all of them that will appear here. And the reason for that is not because they are not good at what they do, or it's not because they are not excellent at what they do. It's just that they have not been able to optimize their business for Google search. I know
okay,
in this world of online, I getting me? In this world of online, you have to be online. Like your business need to be online. If your business is not online, you are not maximizing the propensity for you to make much more sales. I know that there are some business that will be like, I'm making more sales, I'm making sales offline, but then you can actually maximize triple x or 3x or 10x your sales margin, if you can just plug in tech or plug in online visibility to your business. Now look at this brand. Now I searched for hair brands in Nigeria, and we're only finding this brand, France Hair, in Vietnam. Are you seeing it? We have Best Hair Product Salon. This brand is also showing. Now, look at this other one, the Diva Shop, right? Nigeria. Lush Hair is showing. Now, this means that these people have been able to they have been able to optimize their business or their products to show on search results. So this entire interface, are you getting it? This entire interface you are seeing is called search Google search results page. Do you understand?
o-
Yes, it's
okay.
called Google search results page. All these things you are seeing, and now look at it. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All these things are called pages. Are you getting it? But now our
Mm,
focus mainly for every business is that they appear on the first page of Google. Do you know why? Do you know why?
okay.
Yes. So the reason
No.
for that is that if I like you are a human being, we are all users. We are using the internet. Are you getting it? Now, if
Mm,
you search for something online, are you going to tell me the one you will go for? Will you go for the first page or you will go to the last page?
it's the first page now.
And now if you get what you want from the first page, would you bother going to the other page?
No, no.
Why? Because it will be stressful, abi?
Yes.
Exactly. So if your business is in the last page, that means you have not really optimized very well. So your target should be that they appear on the first page, such that when they search for that particular brand or that keyword. Now there's a keyword to every business. There's a keyword. For example, hair salon, right? What's the keyword there? Hair salon. What's the keyword?
It's here.
Awesome, awesome. So now, even if you have hair, there's also what people want to search for apart from hair. They want to know hair salon, right? They want to also know hair brands. They want to also know hair products. Are you getting it? That is if your business sells
Yeah.
product. Now, the process of optimizing for that keyword, such that when they search, you see the way I put this keyword, this is are called keywords. They are just different words I just put. Hair brands in Nigeria. Now, the process of optimizing your result, your this thing, your business to fit in for this keyword is what we call SEO, right? Is what we call SEO. Now, for what for that Google My Business I was telling you about, all these things that you are seeing, these places, you see this place, you have places. I getting it. This,
Mm.
like if I click on this now, you see this thing now, this thing that you are seeing now, this the name, this review, I getting it, review, website, directions, save, share, call. I seen this. Look at it. I
Yeah.
seen this. All these things now. This is what they call Google My Business. And it is very shocking that a lot of businesses, surprisingly, they are not this um on this Google My Business, and it's not something good, really, right? As a business, this is one of the first thing you have to do. Set up your Google My Business profile. And so that's what I want to teach you today, such that you can meet any business and ask them, are you online? Or you can even ask them, what is your business? You go online and be like, I just search for your business online. Oh, I cannot see it, right? Or you be like, I cannot see my Google My Business profile. I can't see it. And this is an example. Are you seeing it? This is an example. Because
Yes.
what does it do for you? Number one, it makes you visible, very visible. People can literally search online about a particular about your industry, and your name will show. The name of your business will show, just like this lady now. If I search for this thing now, for example, and this lady, this brand is showing, I will go for this brand. Why? Because once I click on this business listing, right, I will see the products that she sells, right? I can be able to visit her website. Are you seeing it? I can be able to visit without even reaching out to the person. Oh, are you seeing how
Mm.
things are being automated without reaching out to the
Yeah.
person? The person can now visit her website without even reaching out to her. Then from here, I can still call her. Imagine now, this thing is not here. She will not even she will not even meet the person. The person will not be able to call. The person will just like, there's no brand though. But then because there's this call here, she will be able to click here and she will make calls and be like, oh, I saw your brand. I met, I saw your brand online. I would love to buy one of your hair products, that kind of thing. You see, with that, you are just getting free leads from Google. And apart from that, the sweet thing is that whenever a customer finish engaging with your product or your service, right, you can tell the person that, oh, please, can you write a review for me? Can you leave a review on my Google business listing? And the person will say, sure. And you send the link to the customer. The customer will just write something like this. Look at it. My sure hair vendor, she never disappoints and deals only on original hairs. Then he or she put 5-star reviews. Do you know what this means? It means that for every time that people see your reviews or reviews about your business, they can immediately just say, you look as if this business is authentic. Are you getting me?
Yes.
That's why that's businesses, they bank on testimonials, right? And if you have a
Mm.
business and you are not maximizing the testimonials section of your business, having a system where people can leave reviews on your business, they can leave reviews on your service, on your product, whatever it is, you must actually have that system. And Google My Business, it gives you that. Like, it just helps you because all I just have to do is to send that link to that person. The person leaves a review, and you have it like this. Look at, she has 16 reviews. And this thing, the more you get reviews, the more it can help in your ranking. Do you understand? So
Yes.
you can see how to so if you meet any business now that doesn't have Google My Business listing, you can explain all these things to the person. Is that perfect?
Yes.
Awesome, awesome. All right. So now let us now create let us see how to create a Google My Business listing.
Okay, excuse me.
Yeah.
Is it for only registered businesses or anyone can go there and do it?
You can actually registered. Yes, the business should actually be registered, but then you can actually create without the without the registered certificate. They will not ask you for that, except maybe you want to do like a what they call it. They say you want to do like a verification, but hardly would you see it. If you want to verify, they'll ask for your phone number. Are you understanding? So it's
Yeah.
not a yardstick. Nah, it's not. You can create.
Okay.
Yes. So you can meet any business. Just explain all these things to them, right? Does it make sense now?
Yes, it does.
Makes sense. All right. So now, for us to now go to Google My Business and create a business profile, this is how to do it. You just come here, right, and type Google My Business. Now, once you search Google My Business, this is the first this thing you see. Are you seeing this? Just type. Look at it. List your business on Google with a free business profile. Turn people who find you on search and maps. And again, that thing is that if somebody wants to visit your business, like you have a physical store, for example, and they
Mm.
don't know the direction to your store, they don't know direction. Instead of them to be calling you and calling you, they can simply go to Google Maps, type in the address of your business, and automatically it will show them the direction. You understand?
Okay.
Without calling you and be like, oh, can you be giving direction? Then you now say, move straight, move left, then you corner. Then before you know it, you do this one. Then you do this. The person sef will be confused. But if there's Google Maps now, if the person has your address on Google Maps and is seen and visible on Google Maps, the person don't need to call you. You just use his map and navigate to your store without calling you, and all of a sudden you see the person right on your store. You understand?
Yes.
Awesome. All right. So now open to create it. So we'll come here, just click on this. So additionally, you can just go to business.google.com. You can even try it after this call. I mean, the recording will be available. Business.google.com. So once I click on it, next, now what you now do is you just start now. Just click on start now. Once you click on start now, the next thing now is to start writing you start building it. So now let's get a Google My Business listing for you. You type in the name of the business as it is, oh, like name of the business. Once you type in the name of the business, let's say is Okeke and Sons. Okeke and Sons. You see, there's even Okeke and Sons. Okeke and Sons Mechanic Company. Or do you have a business you want to create from this?
My own or somebody else?
Your own, your own.
I don't.
Eh? You say what?
I don't have. Or do you want me to forge something?
You have not thought about it.
I have.
Eh. Okay,
Have,
so
but
okay.
it has not come back.
Okay, so maybe in next class you tell me the name, but let's continue. So now,
Okay.
oh yeah, so we have Okeke and Sons Mechanic Company. They put business category. Business category can be um business category. Let's say is mechanic, like mechanic engineer or something. Or let's put mechanic. So I'll now click on next. Once I click on next, look at what they are asking. Do you want to add location customers can visit? Of course, yes. I getting it. You click next.
Yes.
You see, click on next. Then enter your business address. This is where you now add your business address and everything. Once you are done, you click your next, right? You understand? And that's how you keep
Mm.
clicking next, keep clicking next. Then at the end, what they'll not tell you to do is to verify your profile. So they'll not ask you for what they call it. They'll not ask you um for your like your phone number. So you add your phone number and then you just verify. So they'll send a code to you. You put the code, and then that's all. You have created your business account. You see, so is it hard? You said?
It's not to you.
No, 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 it's not says to me. Oh. You can try it and you see that it's not hard. So what I
Hmm.
want you to do is pick a particular person's business. It could just be anybody's business. Just tell them that you want to put their business on Google, right? Explain all the things I've explained. Then try it.
Okay.
Yes, try even if you charge them 10,000, try it, right? If you can do this, you do it for one person, you do it to a company, you do it to third person, you see, it's like it's just like you selling a particular service, and that's how you start. You come online. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. So I just wanted to show you that. So I am tomorrow. I want to hear that. Oh, I met a particular business and I pitched this to the business. That's what I want to hear. Even all those akara joint sellers, even all those people that used to sell, that they feel like nobody needs. You need to tell them that is necessary. Is necessary. I getting it. So this is how it's meant to be. Do you understand?
Okay, question.
Yeah. Question. Sure.
Talking about the address,
Yeah.
how about whereby the location is
Hello.
no?
Location is what?
If the location is in a remote, very remote area that Google does not even know,
Why would Google not know the area? What area is that? Give me an
I'm
example.
just
No, it will actually identify it because look at what it has. If you go to that address section now, you see that it has it has the local government, it has the city, it has the country, it has the like the address. So there's no way I getting it. It would like it's not meant to even discover like you are the one to make it to discover it, like to discover the address. Are you understand what I'm saying?
mm,
You are the one that will make it to discover because what you are doing is you're actually feeding data to Google. You are feeding data to them. They are not the ones they are not the ones giving you data. You are the one. So if that address is not known yet on Google, what is not a good time for you to actually tell Google that there's an address that exists like that. Do you understand?
yes.
So if, for example, your business is the only business in that street and Google doesn't even know that street, if you create a Google My Business profile now and put that street, what Google will now do is Google will now recognize that street. That oh, okay, there's a street like that. So when people now search on Google for that part on Google Maps for that particular street for your business, it will go to the database and then it will now see it will search and see your business and be like, okay, there's a business that is there, and it will now come up with that data. It will now put that data and show it to the user and be like, okay, this is the direction to that place. Do you see how it works now?
Okay.
Yeah. Is there any other question?
It's about this Google map. How does it work?
Okay, Google Map. Okay, let me show you. Let me show you Google Map. Okay, let me show you Google Map. So you have not used a Google Map before.
No.
Okay, so this is an example of a Google Map. It's loading now.
I think it's an app.
Yeah, it's an
Is it
app.
an app?
It's actually on your phone, Seth. It's actually on your phone.
Yes, it's on in my phone.
Yes,
It's there.
it's actually on your phone. So let me say, for example, now I want to visit Echo Hotel now. Let me put Echo Hotel. If I put Echo Hotel, are you seeing what it's doing?
Mm,
It brought out the street. Let's say, for example, I've not been to Echo Hotel. For example, I've not been to Echo Hotel before. I've actually been to Echo
mm.
Hotel, but I'm just saying, for example, let's say I've not been to Echo
Okay.
Hotel before, right? Now, if I click on Echo Hotel and Suite, you can see that it will actually tell me how much is per room there. Are you seeing it? How much per room? It also give me the address. Now, if I want to now get directions, look at it. You have directions, you have save, you see reviews. Look at it. It's to tell you that this business is actually on Google. So if I want directions to the place, because I've putted my address to Google, like I've given my address to Google, I'll just tap on directions and look at what it will now tell you. Starting point. Are you seeing it? The way I'm operating it here on on my desktop, that is on my laptop, is the same way you operate on your app, right? Now, it will not tell you to choose a starting point. Let's say, for example, I'm starting from my starting point is like where I am currently at. So if I'm at
Yes.
Beda, for example now, I'll just click Egbeda Lagos, and then it will not tell you how many minutes it will take you to get there. Now look at it. Once you look at if you look at it now, if you do this one is 49 minutes if you use bike. If you use bus, it will take you 54 minutes. Are you seeing it? Now, what that mean? Look at it. Even at the top, you see it. If you are trekking, it will take 1 day. Are you seeing it's showing you?
Though it's small, it's
If
very
you are
small.
trekking from Egbeda now to Echo Hotel, it's 1 day. I'm just joking. But then if you use bike, bike will take you 49 minutes. If you use transit, like um normal transit, it will take you 1 hour 49 minutes. If you use your personal car, it will take you 52 minutes. And you can see that it will give you directions to that place. And it will give you the closest landmark. Now, if you look at the closest landmark, we have Bar Beach that is close to it. We have Victoria Island. We have Terra Culture. We have Art 21. We have Kuramo Beach. You see, these are the nearest landmark. And what you just do is you just click, since you have gotten the destination, you just click on this destination, and then you just quickly start, like you just start moving, right? And so that's it. So once you just even if you click best travel mode, fine, no problem. And then what you just do, I can copy the link, I can share it to you if I want to, right? If I want to um if I say leave now, I will leave now. I click on leave now, and what it will just do is that it will start moving, right? It say distance unit is meant to actually start moving. So I can say send directions to my phone. If I don't want to send directions to my phone, I can actually start moving from here, right? So with it, I just search and then that's it. So okay, why did I reverse? I'm not reversing. I'm actually wanting to start. So now look at it. So once you start moving now, once you just start moving, you are good to go. Look at it. Once I preview now, I seen it to start moving. Like if I move now, it will move. I getting it. And so I know that people don't know how to. Some people don't know how to interpret map, but then as you move forward you understand this map. Let me just give you a snippet of it. This red now that you are seeing, right? This
Mm,
red that you
mm.
are seeing is to tell you that this is where the location is. Then this is your starting
Okay.
point. Are you getting it? This is your starting point. If I expand this now, if I expand this, are you seeing this? If I expand it now, if I expand it, it will tell you that this is my starting point. Sorry, I want to see that. Now look at it. So it means that I'll be moving like this. Look at it. I'm moving like this, moving like this, moving like this. At a point, I will corner. I'll move like this. I'll corner. Are you seeing it? Like it's just straightforward. It's just are you seeing it? And then here, when I get here, I'll be moving straight. Then before I'll get to the direction. So when you are moving, like what it just if you don't even understand it, best way to even do it is you can actually as you are moving, there's a voice, like you can actually speak, like there's a voice that is to be speaking, turn right, turn left, look at it, look at the direction here sef, look at it, turn left at, so somebody can actually be speaking either in Nigerian language or stuff, it will just be directing you, and boom, that's it. As you even continue using it, you get used to it. You understand?
Okay.
Yeah. And this is how we even know some places. Like there are some places that I may have never been to before, but because of map, it just look like I'm an expert. Mm. You understand?
Yes.
Yeah. All right. So should we go to the next thing now?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Awesome. Awesome. All right. So now let me go to. Now let's go to Google Sheet, right? Google Sheet, because it's very important that we know Google Sheet. So now Google Sheet. Sorry. Okay. Let me stop this. I think this session for this one has ended. So let me end this, and I'll share my screen again.